Anybody out there who's thinking about buying paperless parts and you haven't made that decision yet, I can absolutely tell you without hesitation, make the decision and go with paperless parts. My name is Bob Ellithorpe. I'm the CEO for Consolidated Machine Tool, CM&T. We have 6 factories, 5 in the US, 1 in Canada. All 6 factories are focused on complex precision machining. We service customers in the aerospace industry, defense industries, medical, a little bit of automotive and transportation, and some semiconductor. The journey of CM&T started with the companies that we've acquired themselves and their heritage, and then we've been slowly working on integrating the companies to work together. None of the companies we've acquired have had or used paperless parts prior to acquisition, so this is something that we're doing as CM&T to bring paperless parts to all of our divisions and use it as part of the integration of the companies into an ecosystem where they can work with one another. Overall, the reaction to bringing paperless parts has been nothing but positive. We finished our deployment of paperless parts into 5 factories a month ahead of schedule. That's how quickly the team has adapted to it. As the CEO, I use paperless parts in a couple different areas. One is analytics. For me, I go straight to the analytics tab and I look at what's the flow of quotes, do we have any delays, what's our win rate? So I'm using it to get data on how the business is performing, and then that helps inform me so I can help the team resolve any issues, identify additional resources they need, if we need to change pricing or margin assumptions, etc. So I use the analytics. The second thing where I use it is communication. I can understand what the teams are doing. If they have a question for me, I can see it in the chat screen. I can send them a message and so forth. It's really a cross-functional tool that we use. We don't look at it as a cost estimating workbook or workbench. No, it's a team sport, and all of these different functions are involved in the process. Paperless Parts was there when I got there, and what I did is I took it from 2 to 5 divisions. One of the reasons that I made the decision to take paperless parts from being used by 2 of our divisions to all of our divisions is the secure environment. It's helping us with that cybersecurity journey so we can meet the CM&T requirements. It gives us the ability to share technical data in a secure environment, in real time, across divisions, in different states, where we've got to transmit data. The cybersecurity capabilities of paperless parts really stand out as a key feature. The people on the team are fantastic. They're experts, they're knowledgeable. If they don't know, they ask questions. When they do know, they share. So you're gonna be buying a service, if you will, but you're really gonna be partnering with some people who are just fantastic. When I think about paperless parts and how it can be used in terms of growing the business, improving business results, that's where the analytics come into play. The analytical power of paperless parts is helping us determine the benefits to the company in terms of improved profitability, improved customer relationships, improved responsiveness to customers. So I think it's really important that we continue to look at paperless parts. It's very, very intuitive. It's very powerful. And I think we're just scratching the surface of what it can do for us in the future. So I'm really pleased, and I can stand here or sit here and tell anybody, you really ought to make the decision to go with paperless parts because of the people and because of the capabilities in the system.